The Birds' Dawn Meeting, written by Bridie Banwell and read by Claudette Evans. The birds are on the roof again. They're kicking up a fuss. Don't care about the noise they make, unsettling the dust. From early morning, break of dawn, up there they congregate, then put their hobnail boots on whilst having a debate. First, it's just a tapping sound, as if they're at the dance. Then feet are stomping up and down, hardly called a prance. They jump about and land on tiles, just loud enough to crack. Wings a-flutter in frenzied flight, fly off and then come back. No need to set an alarm clock, no chance to sleep in late, when birds of every species land at dawn upon our slate.